Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's session, you will learn the usage of session in the header, like after login, what are the menus should be visible, and after the logout, what are the menus should be visible. So all those things we'll learn, and also the concept of logout. Okay, first we'll go to the header.jsp. So here we have by default, I have written home, sign in, register, and contact. So in the previous sessions and all, we have learned the concept of session. So by making use of those session, so we will see what menus should be visible in the login and logout condition. So for that, I will write the scriptlet tag first in the header.jsp. So I'm going to add a conditions. In the scriptlet tag, I'm going to use if condition. If session.get attribute session.get attribute of uname not equal to null. Means, see, this uname I have set it during the login, right? See, this uname, the value is setting to the uname session variable. So whenever the user logs in, means the name of the user will be stored in the uname variable. So if it is not equal to null, means definitely the user has logged in. So that's why I'm using the condition session.get attribute of uname not equal to null. Else, what should be visible, we have to write inside it. Okay. What are the menus should be visible after login? So after login, for now, I will write logout. So later on, we will keep on adding like what are the menus should be visible. Like for example, add to cart can be there, or my orders. So like that, like few options, few menus will be there. So later on, we will add that. For now, we will add logout only. So logout should be visible only after the user has logged in. Okay. Then this login and register, sign in and register should be visible only when the user has logged out. Means whenever the session is not there, means whenever the user is not logged in, then only the sign in and register menu should be visible. So if the user has logged in, then logout should be visible. Then this home and contact, so let it be visible even after login also, logout also, let it be visible. That's why I have kept it outside the if else condition. Got it? So we will see now whether it is working or not. Okay, see now I have not logged in yet. So what are the menus visible? Home and contact by default, it will be visible. I have kept outside the if condition. So sign in and register is visible because still I have not logged in. So I will log in now. Yes. See, I have logged in. That's why here log out. See, logout menu is visible because I have logged in. So it has come to the if condition. Previously it was in else condition. Now it has come to the if condition. That's why logout is visible. Okay. Now, this is regarding the usage of session. So in the similar way, so you can use these session conditions wherever you want, and you can hide and show the menus or some conditions, whatever you want, you can do it. You can play with these session variables. Okay. So this is regarding this usage of session. So now we will learn the concept of logout. It is very, very simple. So we have to just add a piece of code in the register servlet. Okay. So logout, on clicking logout, where it should go. I'm not writing any JSP name directly. So I'm writing like this, which means on clicking logout, This is called as a servlet. Register is the servlet, right? So our servlet is register.java. So this is the servlet. This is called as a parameter name, and this is called as a parameter value. Okay, register name and parameter should be differentiated by question mark, and parameter name and parameter value is equal to, we have to, this is one parameter. Okay, we will call this as a parameter name, and we will call this as a parameter value. So on clicking log out, it will go to the register servlet. So let's go to the register servlet, and here we have written if conditions, right? The first if condition is for registration, the second if condition is for login. Now similarly, we will add one more if else if condition for the logout. So what is the parameter name here? Logout. Just add logout here. Just a small line. To destroy the session, we have session.invalidate. So we have to call the invalidate function so that the session will be destroyed and you will be logged out. Okay, only this is the one line you have to call for the logout. Then we will dispatch the request to index.jsp. Okay, so this is all about the logout. This is very simple. We have to only call this method to destroy the session. So this small piece of code, you have to add it in a register servlet. So this is done. So we will check now whether it is logged out or not. Okay, I will click on the logout now. So now the session must be destroyed and it should navigate back to the index.jsp. See, the page has refreshed. It has navigated to the index.jsp, and now the sign in and register menus are visible because session is not there, right? See, session is not there. It has come to the else condition. So username is not there, means I have logged out. That's why it came to the else condition, and sign in and register menus are visible. So this is the small concept of logout. And one more thing we will see. So sometimes what will happen, I'll just log in and I'll show you. So whenever you give wrong password or some registration failure and all, so this message we have shown, right? Login failed, registration failed and all. So this message, say every time it will be visible wherever that message variable we have printed. So everywhere this message will be keep on printing because it has stored in the session variable. So we have not removed it. So for that, what we will do? So after this if condition, see in the login and register.jsp, we have used this message, right? Message variable. So after this if condition, we will set the attribute to null, empty. Okay, session.set attribute. So message variable, I am setting it as empty. Okay, when I'm setting means after this message has been printed, again when the page is refreshed or if you go to some other page, so this message will be set it to empty, means no message or no value will be there in this message variable. Similarly, I will copy paste this and paste in the register.jsp. Okay, we will check whether this is working. Okay, first I will sign in. Okay, I will log out now. So again, I will sign in with the wrong password. See, one time login failed message has come. Now I will go to the different page. See, that message is not visible now. Login failed. Previously it was visible. Now it is not visible. Again, sign in page also it is not visible because the message variable is set it to empty. So this is also the one small concept. So this is regarding the usage of sessions you have learned, like this how to empty this session a variable name, and also how to use the session in the header part, like to show and hide the menus, and the small concept of logout also we have learned. So that's it for today's session. So we will see in the next session. Thank you. You can follow Karthik sir on Sukshmas for more questions, e-notes, and MCQs regarding technical and other interview stuffs. So one more thing, like if you want to become a Beyond Knowing mentor, So just click on this Beyond Knowing menu and click on the details and click on Became Mentors. So Sukshmas will automatically shortlist students as a new mentor, and it depends on few of the factors. So you can check out the few factors here. So don't miss this opportunity. And monthly, the main thing is monthly you will be getting the scholarship up to 5K. So just check these factors and try to become a mentor. So regarding mentors policy and all, you can read this policy. Thank you.